Here's the top story at this hour. The Prime Minister today has addressed the annual general meeting of the CI after nearly 7 years. Now speaking to top leaders of corporate India, he insisted that India can get back to 8% growth levels. The PM has also emphasized the need for FDI to boost GDP and hinted at relaxing the FDI policy across various sectors. He highlighted the work which has been done by the Cabinet Committee on Infrastructure and has promised to speed up clearances for projects that are stuck due to red tape. Manmohan Singh also added that India Inc. is unduly pessimistic and even took an uncharacteristic but subtle dig at corporate honchos. He said the industry felt that the government's role should be limited during the period of high growth in 2007, and now there has been a rediscovery of the importance of government, which the Prime Minister has welcomed. Hear him out.
If the business mood was unduly optimistic in 2007, I think it is unduly pessimistic today. This needs correction.
Based on last 3 years or last 12 months or 18 months, I don't think anybody who's pessimistic can be told that he's inordinately pessimistic. To say that you try to get out of pessimism and become optimist, that is correct.
CCI has made a difference. Clearances have been given for 5 blocks. We hope to resolve issues relating to another 31 blocks within the next 2 weeks.
Recent budget announcements, if those are implemented, and as Adi already said, a lot of these are executive decisions. I strongly feel that investments will increase. I strongly feel that we can, as the Finance Minister has said, get back to 6.2 to 6.5% growth in 13-14. I think it's feasible.
We grew at an average of about 8% in the last 10 years, and we can get there again, and that should be our combined endeavor.
The ease of doing business in India is improved, which is really a executive action required. I think India can move back to a reasonable growth rate quite fast.
We must welcome foreign investors coming to India and using India as a part of their global supply chain. The liberalization of foreign direct investment in multi-brand retail, civil aviation and other areas are important signals. We are reviewing the foreign direct investment policy comprehensively to see what more can be done in the coming months.
First of all, for the Prime Minister to realize and to appreciate all the problems that the industry is having, that itself is great.
In 2007, I often heard it said that government had become irrelevant because India will grow at 9% whatever the government does. The consensus today is that unless the government acts swiftly, our growth, which has already decelerated, will be perennially stuck at 5%. Naturally, I welcome the rediscovery on the part of business of the importance of government.
Now, the CI will also see a change of guard with Chris Gopalakrishnan taking over as the president from Adi Godrej. Shireen Ban was at the CI AGM and she now joins us with more details. Shireen, you know, we've seen optimism coming in really from both sides. Manmohan Singh saying that we expect to touch 8% growth levels. Chris Gopalakrishnan and Adi Godrej, whom you were speaking with earlier, pretty much agreeing with that. What were the key takeaways from the day one of that summit?
Well, at the outset, while there is cautious optimism, let's be very, very clear. India Inc. is not talking about 8% growth rate just yet, Sunanda. At best, they're talking about 6.2 to 6.4% as far as FY 13-14 is concerned. They do believe that this government is trying to reach out. This government is trying to facilitate action by way of the CCI, by way of taking other measures pertaining to FDI and so on and so forth. But it is going to take some time before the investment and the capex cycle begin to turn around. The green shoots that we're seeing in the Indian economy are very, very small at this point in time. Remember CII's own business confidence outlook survey, which was done just a few weeks ago, now seems to suggest that we've moved out of contraction to expansion by just 1 point. So we've crossed the 50 mark, which is basically the point that separates contraction from expansion. So Indian industry continues to be cautious, but all the right noise is being made there by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh in trying to reach out the industry, by Commerce Minister Anand Sharma in trying to allay apprehension, saying we know bureaucratic red tape has been frustrating and Indian industry is disappointing, and this government will go all out to do whatever it possibly can to attract investment, whether domestic or foreign. More importantly, and this is going to be an interesting one, Rahul Gandhi is going to be out tomorrow for his first corporate outing ever. He is going to be speaking at the CII AGM, so that's going to be something to watch out for. But today it was a lot of old wine in new bottle, but we have to say that there was a new energy that was visible, especially when it came to what the Prime Minister had to say.
Right, Shireen. In fact, Anand Sharma has said that the foreign trade policy will be announced on the 18th of this month. He has also promised that the policy will be pragmatic. Hear him out.